Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Right, Niranjan, listening. Guys,
Sir,
Sir,
hello guys, will you able to hear me?
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we are going to see some numericals in quadratic equations. What is the definition of quadratic equation? Anyone?
Sir, any equation which has the highest power as 2.
Hmm. What are the roots of the quadratic equation? What is the meaning of roots of the quadratic equation? Guys, what is the meaning of roots of the quadratic equation? Hamsini, any idea?
Sir, we can find by ax square plus bx plus c.
Okay. What is that meaning? How in the roots of the quadratic equation?
Sir, a real number x is called the root of the equation if it satisfies the rules of the equation, sir.
Correct. How many roots are available for a quadratic equation?
Maximum 2.
Yes. How many methods we are having to calculate to find the roots of the quadratic equation?
3 methods.
One is
Factorization method,
Factorization method.
the square method, quadratic formula method.
another one is completing the square method. Factorization method is always not possible. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I am giving the 5 numericals. Using any method, solve these 5 numericals. Find the root of these quadratic equations.
Sir, you're not presenting.
1 second, I'm sharing the screen. Minute. Do it neatly. Whatever the method you are using, use, and these 5 numericals, post it to the WhatsApp individually. Is it clear what I'm saying? I want to explain any one question. I hope you know how to split the middle term or how to use a formula or how to use the completing the square method. So best method is splitting the middle term if there is a possibility or using the formula. So calculate the or find the roots of the quadratic equation for these 5 equations. Anyone can explain the condition for the factorization? What condition should satisfy to explain the to do the factorization? Anyone? Sandhya or anyone? Niranjan or Nirupama? Amruta? Anyone can explain the what is the thing I have to check to do in factorization method? I can say it is a splitting the middle term. Guys,
Sir?
splitting the middle term. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to check? There is a condition. If I follow that condition, it will be easy to split the middle term. What condition?
Sir, the product of the two numbers should be equal to the last number and the sum of them should be the middle term.
Correct. The product should be equal to the product of first class. The sum should be equal to the middle one. You have to split the middle one in such a way the product will be first and last. The sum should be the middle one. For example, if I'm taking the first question, there are three terms. You can write like this, those three terms. Suppose if it is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. The first term is x square. The second term is, that is middle term, is minus 3x. The third term, that is an extreme term, is minus 10. The product is minus 10x square. The sum should be minus 3x. So I can write minus 3x as minus 5x plus 2x, because the product is minus 10x square. So this equation can be rewrite as x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. If my splitting is correct, I will get the common factor, x into x minus 5 plus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 into x plus 2. So this is possible. If the splitting is proper, I will get common factors. If the splitting was not proper, if there is a splitting, definitely I won't get a common factor. Here the common is minus 5. So that is a clue, and that clue you can able to do. Wherever you are unable to split the middle term, you can go for some other alternate method. It's your wish. If they are not mentioned, do with this particular method, do with that particular method. You can do in any method, but if they mention particular method, you have to proceed to the particular method only. So 5 question, post it everyone. I'm expecting an answer from everyone. One student already sent the message. May I know who is this?
Sir, Hamsini.
Kamsini?
Sir.
Yeah, you move to these questions. Don't wait for others. I will give some other questions.
Okay, sir.
These two questions you try. Meanwhile.
Oh, okay, sir.
These are like application questions. I can say exam point of view, they will ask this like this. Completed all those 5 questions, they can do these 2 questions.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually tomorrow morning you have assigned a test for physics.
No,
But
no,
then
there
we
is
have.
a. Are you having school?
Yes, sir. We are having school tomorrow.
No. It's actually the timings mentioned little bit wrongly. Might be we'll get the timetable same dates. Timings will be
Okay.
evening only. I think so. Tomorrow we don't have class. 5 to 6 as usual class timing. Instead of 5 to 6, we'll have 5 to 6:30. We'll have test on light, not full portion.
Okay, sir.
The light test was given for the assignment last time, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the same test will be carry forward here. Next test onwards, we will write the full portions.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
that's why
and
the modified
one more.
timetable will get not a problem. But
Okay, sir.
tomorrow the test will be 5 to 6:30. I will post a message for tomorrow examination. Rest of the examinations timings I am looking. It might be 4 to 7 or 5 to 8. Like that we are planning. Is it fine, guys?
Okay, sir. Sir, and one more thing.
Hmm.
Sir, on 30th also we are having a test, sir, but then we have our school exams, so like continuously we are having for 80 marks.
Sir, till December 4 we have.
Yes, sir.
So how many exams is you are getting disturbed like that? How many
Sir, only
other
that
exams you
exam,
can
sir.
Only
able
that
to-
exam, sir, on 30th.
Science exam you are saying, am I right?
Yes, sir. Bio test, sir.
Sir. Biology test, huh?
Yes, sir, biology.
What is that
Sir.
exam? I will convey the
Sir,
message to
80
Raghava sir.
marks.
Because here that biology test schedule I don't have here. Guys, you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Which exam you are saying? Which exam you are saying?
Sir, it is biology, sir, on 30th.
So you just drop a message to
Sir,
in the
on
group.
November 30 we have biology exam, sir. And
Yes, Niranjan, continue. Any other exams or interrupting the exams of your school?
So not interrupting, but then on Sunday 29th we have maths, sir. The next day we have maths exam in our school, sir. So
So Sunday 29th maths we are having here.
yes, sir.
So the next day you are having math.
Yes, sir. We are having. Yes, sir.
Is same portions? These portions are matching there?
Yes, sir. These both portions are there, sir. We can write it.
Then it is okay now.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
portions
okay.
are matching, problem. But the biology exam is not comfortable. That is what you are trying to say.
30th alone, sir.
Just drop a message, guys, everyone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that exam we can convert as an assignment or whatever, because it is not my subject. I can't take the decision regarding of this.
Okay, sir.
If it is my subject, definitely I will convince the sir. But anyway, sir will change the things, not a problem. But you just drop the message.
Okay, sir.
State that we are having the exam on this day. Just the same the day we are having bio exam here. We will convert into assignment or some other meaning. I will postpone the exam to some other date. Not a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So for us, maths or science exams, anything is interrupting physics and math? Nothing is there, no?
Nothing, sir. Nothing other than.
If the see 29th we are having the exam on algebra, quadratic equations, and arithmetic progressions.
Yes, sir.
If that portions next day you are having the exams, if these topics are not in your school exam, then we can see. But you are saying these topics are even in your school exams also. You just write it is like a review. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Attend the test. If it is see here it is complete different portion, there also complete different portions, then we can look into that. But you are saying these the same topics also available for the school examination, then it's better to write once.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Complete the numericals what I posted here. I think that 5 numericals, how many people completed and sent?
Sir, I sense.
Yes, a few people already sent. Niranjan, I received your 5 numericals. Who done with pencil? The name? Spiral notebook? Madam? Anyone? Who is that?
Sandhya is speaking, sir, but I can't hear.
Okay. Yes. Who completed? Go for the third and fourth. What I posted. What are the questions you are seeing on the screen? Nirupama, you sent?
Yes, sir. I just sent, sir.
Okay. Tillai, what about you? So find the two numbers whose sum is 27. So from that you can do it as a x plus y is equal to 27, x into y is 182. So here framing the quadratic equation is very much important. That is a clue in this question. Getting the thought only is a marks here. Solving the quadratic equation everyone can do. That framing the quadratic equation is very much important here. Sum is 27, product is 182, but there are two variables, but we know the quadratic equation of single variable. From here y is equal to 27 minus x, and substituting this one is here x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So from here 27x minus x square is equal to 182. So x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So solving this equation will give the values of x and y, because if you know the x value, automatically you will get the y value. Up to here only you will get the 50% of the mark, because this is the important thing. First of all, you have to know how to frame the quadratic equation from the given scenario. That is important. That is what the intention of this curriculum. Fourth question also consecutive positive integers. How you can take the two positive integers? Consecutive means x plus 1. So sum of the squares means, this is a clue for third question. When it comes to fourth question, yes, I am giving the clue for fourth question. X plus 1 are the two consecutive positive integers. So why they mention positive integers? In a quadratic expression, if you got negative numbers, you can omit. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square will be equal to 365. So using this equation, frame quadratic expression, quadratic equation and solve. Thirteen and 14. Niranjan, that is what answer for third question. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 13 and 14. The answer for the third question is, the two numbers are 13, 14. The sum is 27 and the product is 182. So do you solve the question for fourth one also same way? We'll see the deletion of this portion in the quadratic equation. What is deleted? But you try to solve any kind of questions irrespective of the examination. That is a good for your higher studies. Situational problem based on equation reducible to quadratic equation. Anyone got the fourth one answer?
Yes, sir.
X square plus 2x plus 1 will be equal to 365. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Same. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Check this splitting. Am I right or wrong? Here also you are getting the same answer. To consecutive numbers, x square, if I am taking x common, x plus 14 minus 13 common, x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x plus 14 will into x minus 13 is equal to 0. The answer is minus 14 comma 13, but he is saying two consecutive positive numbers. So here this only you have to take it as answer. 13 comma 14 is one possible set. Minus 14 comma minus 13 is also one more possible set. But this is not valid because the given question is valid only for consecutive positive numbers. There are two set of answers, but you have to judge which answer is correct. If you got correct answer, if you said okay, I will move to the next one. Some other questions randomly I will pick and I will post here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got the answer, sir.
So I am going with some example questions which are already available in the find the roots of this quadratic equation. Example number 5. Just I will post the question here. You try to solve this question. He is using the splitting the middle term only, but you try how we can use the splitting the middle term here. Let's try to solve this question using the factorization method. I'm asking you to do using the factorization method. Using the factorization method, solve this question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation using the factorization method. Anyone got the answer? Guys, Amrita, Amsini, or anyone?
Sir, is the roots are root 2 by 3 and root 2 by 3, sir.
Root 2 by 3 and
Root 2 by 3.
Anyone got the same answer? What is the splitting term you got, man? 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2. If I am taking how much I can take common here? See, root 6x, root 6x. Sum is minus 2 root 6x. The product is root 6 into root 6 is root 6. So what I have to take common here? Ranjan. You
Sir,
done?
yes, sir. Sir, I expanded root 6 into root 2 into root 3, sir.
Okay, root 2 into?
Root 3.
So can you give the middle term how you split it?
Yes, sir. I will send the photo now, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I sent, sir.
Three x square root 6. Okay, okay. Again, you splitted this root 6 into root 3
Yes, sir.
cottage. That is what I'm asking you. Yes. Root 2 into root 3. And this also root 2 into root 3. And what you take in common here? Root 3x you take in common. So root 3x minus root 2. Here minus root 2 if you are taking in root 3x minus root 2. So root 3x minus root 2, root 3x minus root 2. Or by seeing the question, is it possible this can be written as root 3x whole square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 into x plus root 2 whole square is equal to 0. This is looking like a square minus 2ab. This x will be here, 2ab plus b square. So this is a minus b whole square. This can be written as where a is root 3x, b is root 2 whole square. So the answer is the same roots. Here the roots are same. X is equal to root 2 by root 3, root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3, root 2 by root 3. That is also one more method. That is just combining the square method, but I am asking factorization method. This method is right. Whatever the method I done, it is not correct according to the question, because I am asking factorization. Whatever the method I done, that is a completing the square method. It's clear, Hamsini, Amruta, others?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this question? I can go for one more question.
Yes, sir.
Do the fifth question. From this topic, application oriented will be less. This time they are planning to focus more on one mark questions. They are planning to increase the 40 MCQs are like that. One mark questions they are focusing. I don't know, not yet given at the end what kind of decision they will take. focus on 1 mark, 2 mark questions more this year.
Completed, sir.
Send the solution.
Okay, sir.
Guys, rest of the people also send the solution. What is the answer, Niranjan?
Sir, the base is 12 centimeters, sir.
I think this is your answer, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. X minus 7. 90 degrees. AB hypotenuse is 13.
Yes, sir, it's given.
6 minus 7 whole square is equal to 14 square. So negative answers can't be valid. So the answers is 5, 12, 13. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is everyone got the same answer, guys? Others, what about this answer? Who is this?
Sir Hamsini.
Try to draw the diagram wherever it is possible.
Okay, sir.
Because the diagrams are always impressive for the examiners, where you can score the full marks easily. Because
Okay, sir.
when they are in board point of view, when they are correcting not only your paper. Per day, almost all they are correcting 50 papers. Their job is only for correction of the papers. Sometimes they will impress who draw the diagrams. Yes, good. Any other answers, guys? Only 3 answers I received so far. I think Sandhya, Hamsini, who sent the papers? Niranjan and Hamsini, Niranjan, and who is one more?
Yes, sir.
Sandhya. So this Niranjan, Hamsini, and Sandhya. Amruta, what about your answer and Tillai? Sir, Tillai, there is no response from you. At least one answer I am expecting from you. We'll go for one more question from solutions of the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Hope you know how to do the completing the square method. Any doubt? One question we will do, or will you try directly solving? Everyone knows how to do the completing the square method. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve this question using the completing the square method. Solve this question using the completing the square method. Solve this question using the completing the square method.
Sir, completed, sir.
Will you post it?
So I'm sending, sir. Network is weak.
Okay. We'll wait. Who is this?
Sir, mine, sir.
No, I think this is a factorization. I'm expecting completing the square method. Got it what I'm asking?
Yes, sir.
Do it. The same question try to do in another method, completing the square method. Idea? What is the meaning of completing the squaring method? Completing the square method. X square divide whole equation with 3. X square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. This can be written as x square minus 2 into x into 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 whole square minus 5 by 6 whole square plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. This whole thing is a perfect square. Now this we can be written as x minus 5 by 6 whole square. This will be minus 25 by 36 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So this can be rewrite as x minus 5 by 6 whole square will be equal to 25 by 36 minus 2 by 3. This will be where 36 is the factor LCM. So 25 minus 24. This is 1 by 36. X minus 5 by 6 whole square. From here, so after making it as a complete perfect square only we are doing. So x minus 5 by 6 is plus or minus 1 by 6. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6. If I am taking plus answer, 6 by 6, that is 1. If I am taking minus answer, 4 by 6, minus 1 plus 5, 4 by 6. That is 2 by 3. So the answer is 1 comma 2 by 3. As you sent in a different method, same answer 2 by 3 comma 1. But here the method or procedure is different for calculation. Because I mentioned here clearly perfect square method. That's the reason I am asked you to do again. Guys, try to explore some more numericals related to quadratic expressions. Try to do different kind of solving methods, different kind of numbers where it is not so easy to split the middle term. Those kind of questions, pick and do it. Equation solutions reducible to quadratic equation is not part of the syllabus, but if you solve that, it will be easy to do the things for. Mostly, it will be useful in physics and some other places wherever the situation is comes to quadratic equations. So equations are reducing to quadratic equations. Those are the things are not here. That is not out of the syllabus. But keep it in mind, nature of the roots are there. So based on the discriminant value, nature of the roots can be decided. Discriminant is positive, real and real roots. Discriminant is negative. Roots are not exist. That is called unreal roots. Those roots are called complex roots, which is not part of our syllabus. That's the reason roots are not existed for the negative discriminant. The discriminant value is b square minus 4ac. It's a perfect square. Roots are same. If the discriminant is 0, then you can say roots are same. So like this, we are having the different topics related to nature of the roots. Any doubts, guys? Please let me know. You have to practice some more questions. Once we done this first revision kind of test, I will share some other different questions. Let me finish this cycle. Now we are in quadratic equations, certain things we are doing now. After this, we are having trigonometry. After trigonometry, I'm posting the, I'm going to open up the schedule, mathematics schedule. Like next is trigonometry, after that triangles, after that area of the circles, and 2 exams you are writing the full portion test. Meanwhile, we'll get one clarity over the board examinations, because might be some rumors are going on, it will be in May. If the exams are in May, we'll go with a different plan again by doing some other numericals. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We'll meet in next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts?
Thank you.
Feel free
Thank
and
you,
post
sir.
in the group. Not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Right.
you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.